y'all, it's Nisha here and welcome to today's video. We are going to be trying out some products from Krush. So a couple of months ago I picked up their new Moringa Repair products, which is their deep conditioner and their leave-in. Y'all know I love Krush. They're one of my favorite brands that happens to be Black woman owned, which I love that for us. And so these products are fairly new. They came out around Black Friday, but I just purchased them, like I said, a couple of months ago. So we're going to try them out for you today and see if this is worth y'all picking up or if you can pass on these products. But first, before we get into the video, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I post new videos twice a week. So if you're subscribed, you done hit that notification bell, then you won't miss another upload from me. So let's just go ahead and hop into this video. Y'all, we're coming straight out of the boho braids. I meant to only keep those bad boys in my hair for like a week, but your girl got lazy and didn't have the energy nor the time nor the patience to take them down until now, and it's almost been 2 weeks. It took all day though. It's super late. It is almost midnight right now, so all I have the energy for is deep conditioning and slapping a leave-in in my hair. My hair is already freshly washed. I did pre-poo with my favorite Nega's Banda Chevy pre-poo. Love that thing. Amazing, amazing. I do have a coupon code down below in the description box if you do want to check out Nega's Banda out, especially that pre-poo. Okay, it is bomb. It is my favorite. It is Holy Grail. And then a product that I've just featured in my current favorites or summer favorites video, which is the Adjoa Blue Tansy Clarifying Gel Shampoo. Chef's kiss. My hair really needs to be clarified. My head was itchy. I had all kinds of gel, all kinds of product on my hair, so need to go ahead and clarify. So we are starting with a nice fresh base. I've already sectioned off my hair. Clip this up. Before I start applying though, we gotta talk about the product. So again, this is the Moringa Repair Deep Conditioner. It says it repairs damage, it strengthens, it fights split ends, it conditions, and it adds shine. Krush always has amazing ingredients, a pretty short ingredients list, so I'm gonna read all of them to you. So there's distilled water, aloe vera, rose water, moringa oil, babasu oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, avocado oil, Moringa oleifera, which I guess is just a moringa, humulus lupus. I don't know what that is, so we're going to do some research and I'm going to put it down here what that is. Burdock root, fenugreek, oat straw, yucca root, BTMS, and fragrance. Now for the directions, it says to apply the mask to clean wet hair from roots to ends, working product through your strands, cover hair for 30 minutes, then rinse, then follow up with a leave-in. Candace, who is the owner of Krush, is always going to throw some ayurvedic ingredients into her products. I expected nothing less from her. Also, y'all, my tongue is blue because I had a Jolly Rancher. FYI. Ooh. This smells good. This smells like fall. It smells like pumpkin spice. It smells like cinnamon. It smells like Thanksgiving. I was not expecting that. Ooh, this smells good. Okay, anyways, this is what the product looks like. Okay, so it's not as thick as I thought it was going to be. It's nice and creamy, but it's not super thick. But it's not super lightweight either. It's like right there in the middle. Okay, this feels nice and creamy on my hair. Ooh, I can tell that this has some great slip. Which I'm going to need because I know I got lots of shedded hair that still needs to come out of my hair from being braided up for 2 weeks. But my hair instantly just absorbed this deep conditioner. It feels super moisturizing. I feel like I haven't done like a deep conditioner review for y'all in quite some time. This is just bringing back memories for me. Cause yeah, I don't think I've given y'all a deep conditioner review in a while. But this, so far, I like this a lot. And my hair isn't like soaking wet. My hair is pretty damp because I did kind of t-shirt dry my hair a little bit. So it's not like my hair is soaking wet, but it's still getting the job done with the slip. Y'all, this thing smells so good. I hope the leave-in smells like this. Again, just melting into my hair. I really like the Fairy Godmother, is it the Fairy Godmother deep conditioner? The Fairy Tale deep conditioner. The deep conditioner from their Enchanted collection. I really like that. That's probably my favorite deep conditioner that I've tried from them until now. This feels so good. If when I rinse this out, my hair feels just as moisturized, just as soft, just as good as it does now. This will by far be the best deep conditioner that I've tried from Main Krush. So fingers crossed. I am just going to continue to apply this deep conditioner throughout my hair. We're actually going to steam tonight because I haven't steamed my hair in some months. Probably not since like March or April, to be quite honest, and it's now August, which is not good. I've been like, I need to clean my steamer out before I use it because you're supposed to clean it ever so often, but I don't ever get to cleaning it, and then I'm like, oh, I can't steam my hair because it's not clean. But you know what, we just gonna clean it after we steam. Not tonight though, because I need to go to bed, but tomorrow we're gonna clean it, and tonight we're gonna steam.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take your. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. Moody.
Alright y'all, so voiceover Nisha here. At this point it was like 2 a.m. in the morning by the time I rinsed out my deep conditioner, and I didn't want to really talk and be loud and wake up my family, so you're getting voiceover Nisha. But we went ahead and grabbed the Moringa Repair leave-in conditioner, and I smelt it, and it smells just like the deep conditioner. It smells like Thanksgiving. And as you can see, it's got a nice creamy, not too thick, but not too thin consistency. And when applying it to my hair, I felt some moisture for sure. Not as much moisture as I would have hoped for, but it also did have some slip as well. And I felt like my hair did absorb this product similar to how my hair absorbed the deep conditioner. Main Krush claims this leave-in is perfect for preventing and repairing damage. Packed with oils and herbs to condition and treat dry, damaged hair while adding shine and softness. It moisturizes, strengthens, improves elasticity. It reduces split ends and also alleviates scalp conditions and creates a healthy scalp environment. So the ingredients look very similar to those of the deep conditioner. There's distilled water, aloe vera, moringa oil, babassu oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, Moringa oleifera, Humilis lupus, which again is that It's in the hemp family, basically. Ash moss, ginger, burdock root, rosemary, fenugreek, oat straw, yucca root, BTMS, and fragrance. And I told y'all this night I didn't have the strength to do anything to my hair, so I am just splitting my hair into 8 sections and applying the leave-in and then braiding up those sections. And like I said, it felt decent on my hair. It just wasn't as moisturizing as I expected it to be. But the slip is really good. I'm not gonna lie about that. Slip is good. Moisture was missing.
In me, yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water parasite, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah.
Y'all, it's been a couple of days. Do not mind my hair. I just tried to slick it back into a bun and just go about my day. But anyways, wanted to come back and give you my final thoughts on these 2 Moringa products from Krush. So first, we have the Moringa Repair Deep Conditioner. I really do like this deep conditioner. I did use quite a bit. It is 8 ounce. Y'all can see the bottle is clear. I used about half of it, so I'd only get like 2 uses out of this. But the great thing about Krush is that they do give options for bigger sizes of products, and I'm pretty sure that's the same case for these 2. I could buy them in bigger sizes. Sorry y'all, I had to brighten this up. I thought we were looking a little dim. But this thing had great slip, great moisture. It instantly absorbed into my hair, which I really do love. And the weird thing about it is when I was washing it out of my hair, it felt like I was rinsing out nothing, but like in a good way. So meaning like I felt like it had absorbed so much into my hair that there wasn't much to rinse out. I will say my hair didn't feel as moisturized as it did when I like initially applied the deep conditioner. There is definitely some moisture there, but it felt more like strengthening to my hair, which makes sense. It does say that it's going to repair damage, strengthen, fight split ends, which I always am a little like, oh, you're gonna fight split ends. Split ends are just, they're just gonna happen. Conditions and add shine. And I feel like maybe besides the fight split ends and repairs damage, because I don't really have like damaged hair, I think that it did everything that it did claim. So I do like this deep conditioner. My hair loved it, soaked it up and everything. So I definitely would recommend y'all trying this out, especially if you're looking for something that has great ayurvedic ingredients that's going to help strengthen your hair. There's no like direct protein, but I'm sure some of these ayurvedic ingredients are known for strengthening. Like I know for sure oat straw is really good for strengthening. I think burdock root is good for strengthening, so definitely like this and probably will repurchase this. As for this Moringa Repair leave-in, it felt pretty good on my hair. I wasn't too crazy about this, but I've been finding that's how I feel about a lot of Krush's leave-ins, that they don't wow me. They're not horrible, but they don't wow me, if that makes sense. I've tried the Curls on the Rocks, which I really did not like. It didn't feel like anything on my hair. I've tried, which I actually have right here, the Fairy Godmother leave-in, which I do like. It does feel moisturizing. And then this one is just like so-so. I definitely will use it up because I do think that it does moisturize my hair. I put gel on top of my hair, so maybe that may be why I'm not feeling as much moisture. But I know when I just initially applied this, I didn't feel as much moisture as I was expecting. But again, it has great ayurvedic ingredients, and this is more on the repair side of things. So maybe that's why I'm not getting the moisture that I thought I was gonna have. Also, I noticed that both of these don't really have like a butter or like cream base. So there's no like shea butter or cocoa butter or anything like that. They're mainly just liquids like water, aloe vera juice, oils, a bunch of oils, and then ayurvedic powders. Love this. We'll definitely use this up, and we'll definitely repurchase this because I love the strengthening properties that it has and what it does for my hair. I love the ayurvedic ingredients, and this is it's okay. I like it. It's not something that you have to run out and get. I will continue to use these products. Of course, these are my first impressions. I'll continue to use them and keep y'all updated in like an empties video, things like that, in order to let y'all know if my thoughts have changed. But let me know down below in the comment section if you've picked up these Moringa Repair products from Krush. They have been out for a good little bit since Black Friday. So let me know your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And as always, I'm so grateful and thankful for each and every one of y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!